So if you're anything like me, I thought I would probably never use AI in my pottery. However, I came across a use case that might be helpful for you, especially if you do business logo mugs. Now, I had someone reach out. They wanted me to use a police badge for a local police department on the mug. However, the only image that I had for that badge was a picture of an embroidered badge. It would have been pretty difficult for me to trace that out, keep all that detail. So I threw it into Microsoft Copilot and asked it to make me a vector image from that. And I was able to then create this. Or sorry, I didn't create it. AI was able to create this, which then of course was able to create this. From that, I was able to create a stamp, and with that stamp, I was able to roll out a piece of clay and take the stamp that we made from our image and make this mug. As you can see, we were able to use this stamp and press it into the clay, and now we had a mug with that logo, that badge on the clay. Without having to try and rebuild it from scratch, I was able to use the AI to create that stamp. So that's one use case. So if you ever run into that where you have like an embroidered patch or something like that, that someone's saying, hey, can you make a clay stamp with this? Now you can utilize it to create your own stamps. Enjoy.